Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Most dogs are unable to recognize themselves in a mirror. For the first time ever, there are more women than men in India. India now has 1020 women for every 1000 men. The first goal in soccer history was scored just over 2 seconds after kickoff. Samsung has a net worth of $529.5 billion. A study found that only half of your friends would consider you their friend. People have a very poor perception of friendship ties. A 9-year-old boy from Canada holds Guinness World Record for longest milk tooth of 1.2 inches. He will be soon receiving certificate for world record. A Chinese artist vacuumed up Beijing's air for 100 days and made a brick from what he collected. A statue in Japan conveying a great message. Your weight and value is not the number of kilograms or size, but the number of books you read. The sun is the most perfect sphere ever observed in nature. There is a 3D printed cast that uses ultrasound to help heal bones 40% faster. The average woman owns 8 times more makeup than they use. It's street art. Lenny, a San Francisco runner, created these drawings using GPS tracker. Coughing can cause air to move through your windpipe faster than the speed of sound, over 1,000 feet per second. Ma Yu Ching's Bucket Chicken House in Kaifeng, China is considered the world's oldest operating restaurant, first opening in 1153 AD during the Jing dynasty. Dolphins can rapidly heal from extreme injuries such as shark bites and regenerate their original body shape. Samsung, it has 4,89,000 employees. There is an isolated tribe in Zimbabwe where the people have only 2 toes, dubbed the ostrich people. There is a competition in Sweden called rabbit show jumping. Samsung has a day profit of $109 million. The first Thursday of November is Men Make Dinner Day. At any given moment, clouds cover about 60% of the Earth's sky. Being told by someone that you are lying when you actually are not has to be the most frustrated feeling in the world. In 2010, a 10-year-old boy discovered a new theoretical molecule in science class. It's easier to win an argument with a really smart person than is to win against a really stupid person. Ironically, a blind person has less chance of walking into a glass door. If you are quiet or shy yet attractive, but you are seen as interesting, but if you are quiet or shy yet unattractive, you are seen as strange or weird. Building the pyramids today using stone-carrying vehicles, cranes and helicopters would probably take 1,500 to 2,000 workers around 5 years, and it would cost on the order of $5 billion. Introverts are like a slow website. They might be the coolest site, but usually people don't wait that long for them to open. Ancient Egyptian men, like their ladies wore makeup. They had a practical reason for it, as it protected them from sun and also because they believed makeup had some magical healing power. Although hairs is the plural of hair, a person that has grey hairs has fewer grey hairs than a person that has grey hair. Vikings would sometimes domesticate wild animals trapped as cubs, especially bears. Brown bears were widely kept and were even imported into Iceland as pets, where they were known as house bears. In Tokyo, there is a self proclaimed superhero who goes by the name Mangetsu Man, keeping his identity secret. He wears a purple bodysuit with a large yellow smiley head. His self described mission is to keep the city trash free. Before 1600, a game of chess would be won by capturing all of the opponent's pieces, leaving a bare king, a style of play known as annihilation. Vasco da Gama was said to have the biggest ship available in Europe. Then he met Gujarati named Kanha. He was a trader who had shipped 12 times the ship of Vasco da Gama. The story is mentioned in Vasco da Gama's own journal, which is Lisbon Today. Top 8 international trips from India under INR 60,000 in 2025. Vietnam, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Kazakhstan, Laos, Nepal, Malaysia. Thanks for watching.